Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to unbox Apple MacBook Pro 2015 model. This is one of the special editions as this is the last model which consists of all the physical keys and it consists all the ports except the Ethernet port where we can't see in the current and the latest versions, which has many limitations where this edition holds that. We are on site with the top view of the laptop. There you go, we have the Apple logo over there. I'm going to open the laptop now. Yep, it's done. And when I turn to left, we can see a power socket and two Thunderbolt ports and a USB Type A socket and an audio socket. And when I turn it to right, we can see a USB Type A again and one HDMI port and a card reader. When I turn it to bottom, there you go, we have a battery. Now we are on the home screen of the Mac and we have a decent Apple logo at the left top corner of the desktop. When I click on that, we have few main system settings like above this Mac, force quit, sleep, restart and shutdown, etc. When I click on the notification sections icon at the top right corner of the desktop, we can see a small screen which has two sections, notifications and today. Here we can even customize the widgets according to our choice. When I click on the search icon, we will automatically move to Spotlight search bar. And when I click on the battery icon, it shows the battery information and the backup status. When I click on the System Preferences app, we can see a window on the desktop. Here we can customize each and every app and each and every control. Likewise, the control panel in the Windows. When I click on Finder icon on the dock, we'll move to a window on the desktop. This is similar to the My Computer window in the Windows. When I click on Launchpad, we'll move to a window which consists all the installed applications. When I click on App Store, we'll move to a window which consists all the applications which manages over here, and we can even purchase and update any of the particular applications according to our choice. Now we are dealing with the system specifications. When I click on About this Mac, a window is opened. This MacBook consists of macOS High Sierra version 10.13.4. This is the MacBook of Retina 15-inch mid-2015, elongated with 2.2 GHz Intel Core i7 processor and 16 GB 1600 MHz DDR3 memory and Intel Iris Pro 1.5 GB onboard graphics. And coming to the display, it is of 15.4 inch elongated with 2880 into 1800 resolutions. Coming to storage, it has 256 SSD flash storage. When I click on System Report, we can avail full-length details of this particular device. Now we are going to perform the SSD speed test. Open Blackmagic tool and by clicking on Start, we are starting the test. The write speed is 933.3 MB per second and the read speed is 1740 MB per second. Now I'm going to open Siri. Today's weather. For checking the performance of this device, we are going to open few apps. Now we are going to discuss on advantages as well as the disadvantages of this device. Coming to the advantages, this device has a sleek design. That's the major advantage of this device, and it has each and every port except the Ethernet one. And the updates are up to date, and Apple also provides few professional apps at free of cost. It also has a fantastic battery backup, lasts for 10 hours, and also the Force Touch. The Force Touch makes the user feel very good. This is the last device with all the physical keys on the keyboard before the touch era comes. Coming to the disadvantages, there is no Ethernet port for this device. Apple would have provided an external connector for this Ethernet port to limit the lag. This device is a bit expensive. This is currently at 1.6 lakhs at Indian currency. For these following specifications, it is at high price. And coming to the graphic card, in the previous versions Apple had provided an external graphic card but skipped in this version. Even though this device is very expensive with these following specs, but it is very good in terms when compared to the latest versions. The latest version devices has many limitations, and this device holds all the limitations which are held now. According to me, this is the better choice when compared to those.
Hey guys, please do subscribe my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon for latest updates. Thanks for watching.